All right, good evening to you from the Storm Alert Weather Center. This is Chief Forecaster Daniel Wilson. It's right now 8 o'clock Central Time. Wanted to go on very quickly and give you a short analysis of what's going on in the world of weather. Looking in the western part of the state, as we anticipated earlier with our future radar, the storms are now entering into Kentucky. The strongest cells is over around Morganville, just south of Evansville, Indiana. We have tornado warnings in effect there, and then all the way back into Missouri and parts of Arkansas, and I think even portions of Illinois. All are seeing thunderstorms, severe thunderstorms, as well as tornado warnings being issued for that area. Again, numerous severe thunderstorms warnings and tornado warnings are in effect. If we remove the radar, you can see the situations and the counties that are affected and how wide this area is. The one severe thunderstorm with a tornado warning, rather, that is in Kentucky would be over into north central Lyon, west central Caldwell County. That is in western Kentucky, as well as Davies, Henderson, McLean, and Webster County. That's over near Sturgis, Kentucky. And we have a tornado warning in effect for southwestern Henderson and east central Union County. That's in effect until 8:30 this evening. But you can tell how the storms have materialized, and as they've developed and continue to move to the east, numerous severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings have been issued with that particular system as it makes its way through the area. Now think about how fortunate that we are here in the Lake Cumberland area. Now this is a look at the radar and the warnings as they leave Kentucky, they go into West Virginia, parts of Virginia, down into the Carolinas, and parts of eastern Tennessee. Look how fortunate we are to have not had any damage as bad as we've had here in the Lake Cumberland area. We've had a couple of warnings that were in effect, but for the most part, here in the immediate area. Not saying that we don't have any damage. I know we've Keith Richardson, storm anchor here for the Storm Alert Center, has been in Albany, over in Clinton County, reported damage to a house, tree down. Also, one of our followers had given a report that a road sign had been damaged, pretty much destroyed, and I think maybe another type of damage reported there in Clinton County. I know there's other places around the area that is suffering from some damage, but it's mild compared to what a lot of people up in central Kentucky, up around Lexington, Louisville. I think even a fatality in Louisville as a result of this tornado and severe weather outbreak. So here's what the radar looks like at 8:05 Central Time this evening. We expect the storms to continue to develop and move into our area somewhere 11, 12 o'clock Central Time. Again, those times are not set in stone, but it is likely that we would see them definitely after 10 o'clock because of where the storms are currently located. Probably be after that for sure. So as we watch the storms develop and move into Kentucky, we would remind everybody to be vigilant and to be heads up. This is a big weather system. We expect warnings to be issued, and of course a tornado watch that remains in effect this Sunday evening. The tornado watch, I believe, is in effect until 1 a.m. Central Time. 1 a.m. Central, 2 a.m. Eastern Time. So still a lot of time between now and the date of the time of expiration. So Keep it right here on the Storm Alert Weather Center. We will be here throughout the evening hours, and if it takes it up to after midnight, to keep you updated and informed. But this is the latest we have. Storms firing up to our west, moving into the Commonwealth. Tornado warnings already in effect for far western Kentucky. We expect that system to make its way through this region soon.